If you ever wanted to grow an X, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you exactly how to build an AI agent that looks just like this, that's gonna score your tweets and tell you exactly what to improve on. So the first step is heading over to Adaptive.ai. This is the website you're gonna use to create your agents. All you have to do is scroll down here and click Get Started for free. Then create your account. Once you have created your account, this is the screen you're gonna see. The AI is gonna ask for your name, so just provide it with your name. And next you wanna head over to Gemini. So once you're on Gemini, you're gonna wanna paste this prompt right here. This is gonna basically provide you with all the prompts you need to get the AI agent running. So once Gemini is done generating all the steps, all you have to do is copy them right here, just like this, and head back over to Adaptive.ai. When you're back on Adaptive, you're gonna wanna paste the prompt that Gemini gave you. And now all we have to do is wait for Adaptive to do its work. So once you see something like this, all you wanna do is take a screenshot of this and head back over to Gemini. So once you're on Gemini, you're gonna wanna paste the screenshot just like I did, and it's gonna generate all the prompts you need. Just select all the prompts like this and head back over to Adaptive.ai. Once you're here, just paste this right here and let it do its work. So as you can see here, an AI agent just popped up, but it's still not done building it, so I'm gonna still give it a few minutes. So after about 5 minutes of generating, we finally have the final product, the X post scorer. All you gotta do is click on it and let it load in. And as you can see here, we have a full algorithm post scorer. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works right now. I'm gonna take a bad tweet, something like this right here, and I'm gonna click simulate algorithm and see what it shows. As you can see here, it shows a 24 overall. So next, I want the AI to improve my tweet, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. First, you will click on Ask Adaptive right down here, and you're gonna paste in this prompt, and now see what it comes up with. So as you can see here, it's now asking me to post the full draft down below because the brain for the post scorer, the agent, and the chat is different. So it's not gonna know exactly what you wrote until you tell it. So all I'm gonna do is paste this right here. It's just a tweet that I posted earlier and basically asking it to fix it. So here we go, it just generated as a rewrite. So all I'm gonna do now is copy this and head over to the scorer to see what it scores this one. And as you can see here, we are 94 characters over the limit, which can also happen, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix this right now. Basically, you're gonna head over here and paste this prompt in. So this is the prompt right here. You're just gonna paste this and see what it gives us. So here we go, it just generated us a condensed version. So we're gonna copy this right now and see what it rates this. We're gonna paste it in here, simulate algorithm. And as you can see, it already jumped to a 46 overall. And you can basically keep telling it to improve on it based on what it gives us. And eventually you're gonna come up with the perfect tweet. And this is exactly how to take advantage of these AI agents. You can build one for YouTube, you can build one for Instagram. I'm gonna put all the prompts in the description so you can just copy them and paste them. And let me know if it works for you in the comments.